Bitcoin, BTC, is a decentralized digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known and valuable one today. In its early days, Bitcoin had little value and was primarily used by a small community of enthusiasts. However, as more people began to recognize its potential, its price started to rise significantly. One of the major milestones in Bitcoin's history was the Bitcoin Pizza Day, on May 22, 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz famously purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC. This transaction is often cited as the first real-world use of Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. In 2017, Bitcoin reached its all-time high price, exceeding $20,000 per BTC. However, it subsequently experienced a sharp correction, leading to a bear market that lasted for a couple of years. In 2020, Bitcoin started another bull run and reached new highs in 2021, surpassing $60,000 per BTC. As for the future of Bitcoin, it's challenging to make precise predictions. However, there are several factors that could impact its trajectory. These include regulatory developments, institutional adoption, technological advancements, market demand, and macroeconomic factors. Some proponents believe that Bitcoin has the potential to become a global reserve currency or a hedge against inflation, while others argue that its volatility and scalability issues could hinder its widespread adoption. Additionally, the emergence of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and competition from other cryptocurrencies may also shape the future landscape. Overall, Bitcoin's history has been marked by significant growth and volatility, and its future remains uncertain but intriguing. It continues to be an important player in the cryptocurrency market and a subject of interest for investors, technologists, and economists alike. Cryptocurrency markets, including Bitcoin, are highly volatile, and their prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. While Bitcoin has shown significant growth over the years, it is important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results. If you are considering investing in Bitcoin, it is crucial to educate yourself about the technology, understand the risks involved, and consider diversifying your investment portfolio. It may also be beneficial to consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. The future of cryptocurrency is a topic of great interest and speculation. While it is challenging to predict with certainty, there are several trends and possibilities that could shape the future of cryptocurrencies. 1. Increased adoption. Cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, have gained significant popularity and acceptance over the years. This trend is likely to continue as more individuals, businesses, and even governments explore and adopt cryptocurrencies for various purposes, such as payments, investments, and remittances. 2. Regulatory environment. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are working to establish frameworks and regulations around cryptocurrencies. Clearer regulations can provide more legitimacy and stability to the crypto space, attracting institutional investors and fostering mainstream adoption. However, regulatory actions could also introduce compliance challenges and impact certain aspects of cryptocurrencies. 3. Technological advancements. The underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, continues to evolve. Advancements in scalability, privacy, and interoperability could address some of the current limitations of cryptocurrencies and open up new possibilities for their use in various industries beyond finance, such as supply chain management, healthcare, and governance. 4. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Several countries are exploring the development of their own CBDCs, which are digital representations of fiat currencies issued and regulated by central banks. CBDCs could impact the cryptocurrency landscape, potentially providing competition to existing cryptocurrencies while offering the benefits of digital currencies in a controlled and regulated manner. 5. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi applications, built on blockchain platforms, offer innovative financial services such as lending, borrowing, and decentralized exchanges. DeFi has seen significant growth and experimentation, and it could continue to disrupt traditional financial systems by providing greater accessibility, transparency, and efficiency. 6. Environmental concerns. The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, particularly the energy consumption associated with mining, has raised concerns. Moving forward, there may be increased emphasis on developing and adopting more sustainable and eco-friendly approaches to cryptocurrency mining and transaction validation. Overall, Bitcoin's history has been marked by significant growth and volatility, and its future remains uncertain but intriguing. It continues to be an important player in the cryptocurrency market and a subject of interest for investors, technologists, and economists alike. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to various external factors, including market sentiment, technological advancements, and regulatory changes. Therefore, while cryptocurrencies hold potential, it's crucial to stay informed, conduct thorough research, and assess the risks before making any investment or business decisions related to cryptocurrencies.